Are you curious about diving into the world of crypto? Cryptocurrencies have become a hot topic in recent years, offering exciting opportunities for investors. However, there are some important things you should know before jumping in. Let's make it easier for you. First of all, do your research. Knowledge is key when it comes to cryptocurrency investing. Understanding the market, knowing which cryptocurrencies have potential, and grasping the technology behind them is crucial for successful investing. Explore different cryptocurrencies and understand their purpose. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique goal and use case. For example, Bitcoin is considered digital gold, while Ethereum provides a platform for smart contracts. Understanding these differences will help you make more informed investment decisions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the new players in the sector. Each offers a different technology and vision. New projects and altcoins can also be worth considering. So don't just look at the popular ones, but also explore new projects with potential. Each one has its own unique story. Understanding these stories can help you predict which projects might succeed in the long run. Research the teams behind the cryptocurrencies, the project roadmaps, and the community support. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The cryptocurrency market can be quite volatile, so spreading your investment across different cryptocurrencies can help reduce your risk. Also, consider investing in traditional investment tools, not just cryptocurrencies. Next, choose a reliable exchange. The platform where you will buy and sell your cryptocurrencies must be trustworthy. Research the exchange's history, user reviews, and security measures. Security is paramount. Choose platforms with strong security measures. Two-factor authentication, cold wallets, and other security measures can help protect your investments. Also, consider storing your cryptocurrencies in a secure wallet instead of keeping them on the exchange. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market involves high risk, and the value of your investments can drop rapidly. Therefore, be cautious when investing and only use amounts you can afford to lose. Finally, stay updated. Crypto markets are volatile, and news can impact prices overnight. Following market trends, news, and analysis can help you make more informed investment decisions. Follow trusted sources and keep learning. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and gaining new knowledge is key to being a successful investor. Educational resources, forums, and expert opinions can help you increase your knowledge. So there you have it, your beginner's guide to crypto investing in 2024. Happy trading. Remember, knowledge is power, and an investor armed with the right information can succeed in the world of cryptocurrencies.